Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Now we've all seen this devastation, and it looks bad. Some might even say it's depressing if you get all emotional involved. So how do we recover from this? Well, let's see. That's what I'm gonna do. All my plants died. Being that I come from the old school, not the woke generation where very little labor and you think that everything's going to go your way. And when you're old school, you have a failure, you don't cry about it. You get out the seed trays and if you're lucky, you find you some help. Get your grandkids and daughter involved and fill up a bunch of trays and start stocking the shelves and getting some new plants going. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. And that's exactly what I want to encourage you to do when you end up with a situation like this. And there we go. We got a shelf full of new seeds planted. You got one here on the table. Got a few more shelves here. And we actually have some out in the little greenhouse still that survived the freeze. So, and we'll get these ones here, these little wonder beets, early wonders. These two trays were planted the day before this tray, and you can see a noticeable difference in how well they're germinated. So, but anyway, there you go. You know, we could sit back and we could cry about our loss in our garden, but we know that's going to happen from time to time. We hope for the best. We work hard for the best. And when it doesn't turn out, we get started over and we'll get these crops going, and we're gonna have something to eat here. But anyway, I hope you found some value in this video. I hope you, if you're not a subscriber, you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell. Make sure you get all the notifications. Give it a big thumbs up. And like I always say, enjoy your garden.